Today I am reviewing the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, today we are looking at a machine that represents a massive leap forward for smart home cleaning. This is the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you have been keeping up with robot vacuums over the last few years, you know they usually fall into one of two traps. They are either incredibly powerful but so thick and bulky that they can't fit under your sofa, or they are slim but lack the suction and smarts to actually clean your floors properly. Roborock essentially looked at those trade-offs and decided to completely eliminate them. The Saros 10R is a premium, flagship device that packs a ridiculous 22,000 Pa of HyperForce suction, full multifunctional automation, and an ultra-thin profile that redefines what a robot vacuum can do in the modern home. The very first thing you notice when you take the Saros 10R out of the box is its height, or rather, the lack of it, sitting at an incredibly slim 3.14 inches tall. For context, traditional high-end robot vacuums usually have a raised, circular turret on top that houses a spinning laser, adding an extra inch of height that frequently causes the robot to get jammed under the coffee table or prevent it from reaching dust bunnies hiding deep under your couch. Roborock managed to completely flatten the top of the robot by introducing their new StarSight Autonomous System 2.0. Instead of a mechanical spinning tower, they embedded a cutting-edge, solid-state dual LiDAR array and 3D time-of-flight sensors directly into the front bumper and chassis, giving you all the precision mapping of top-tier navigation while keeping the robot perfectly sleek and flat. Because it doesn't have that traditional spinning laser on top, you might worry that the mapping or object avoidance takes a hit, but it actually performs better than most turret-based models. The navigation system is paired with VertiBeam lateral obstacle avoidance, an integrated RGB camera, and built-in LED headlights, meaning the robot can see in pitch-black darkness and recognize up to 108 distinct types of household obstacles. In real-world testing, the Saros 10R doesn't just smash into phone charging cables, stray shoes, or loose toys blindly. Its advanced algorithms map a precise path around these objects without breaking its cleaning rhythm, tracking tight, even rows that achieve superior room coverage. You don't have to pre-clean or do a sweep for clutter before letting the robot run, making it a truly hands-off experience. When it comes to sheer cleaning performance, the 22,000 Pa of suction power is absolute overkill in the best way possible. On hard floors, it sucks up fine dust, heavy debris, and microparticles out of deep floor crevices effortlessly, and it automatically kicks into a maximum carpet boost mode the moment it senses rugs. But raw power doesn't mean much if the vacuum gets choked out by hair. To solve the frustration of tightly wound hair nests, Roborock engineered the Zero-Tangling DuoDivide Main Brush. Instead of one long roller, it features two parallel, shorter bristle rollers with a gap right in the middle. As hair is picked up, the spiral blades guide the strands outward toward the center gap, where the massive suction funnels them instantly into the dust bin, leaving the roller brush completely hair-free and eliminating manual cutting. One of the historical weaknesses of round robot vacuums is that they cannot physically fit their circular bodies into square corners, leaving a little triangle of dust along every baseboard. To fix this, Roborock engineered FlexiArm riser technology for both the side brush and the mopping pads. When the Saros 10R detects that it is approaching a 90-degree corner or a wall edge, a mechanical arm physically extends the side brush outward beyond the perimeter of the robot's body to sweep dirt directly into the suction path. The same intelligent expansion happens at the back with the mopping pads, ensuring the right mop pad extends flush against the baseboard, leaving a 0mm gap and effectively eliminating cleaning blind spots. Another industry first packed into this machine is the innovative AdaptiLift Chassis. The robot can independently lift its left, right, and front omnidirectional wheels to alter its ground clearance on the fly. If you live in a home with thick, raised wooden thresholds or awkward transitions between tile and hardwood, standard robots will often treat those transitions like a wall and turn around. The Saros 10R can dynamically lift its belly up to 10 millimeters, allowing it to scale and clear floor thresholds up to 4 centimeters high. It can even step right over the awkward U-shaped metal legs of modern accent chairs rather than getting trapped inside them. For mopping, the Saros 10R uses dual spinning pressurized mops that aggressively scrub the floor to break down dried coffee drops, muddy paw prints, and kitchen grease. When the acoustic sensors detect a carpet or rug, the smart chassis integration really shines. On low-pile rugs, the robot can lift its spinning mop pads up to 8 millimeters off the ground, so it can vacuum without leaving the fabric damp. If you have thick, high-pile luxury carpets where an 8 millimeter lift isn't enough, the robot will actually drive back to the base station, automatically detach its mopping pads entirely, leave them in the dock, and drive back out to vacuum the carpets completely dry. A premium robot vacuum is only as good as its maintenance dock, and the Multifunctional Dock 4.0 is an absolute 10-in-1 automated powerhouse. Once the Saros 10R finishes its cleaning run, it parks itself inside the station, and the dock takes over completely. It sucks the dirt out of the robot's internal bin into a sealed 2.7-liter disposable bag, giving you up to 60 days of hands-free vacuuming. It then heats water up to a scorching 176 degrees Fahrenheit to wash the spinning pads, dissolving stubborn grease and killing bacteria, before blowing 131-degree hot air through the bottom to dry the mops completely, which stops mold, mildew, and sour odors from developing. The dock is also incredibly smart, utilizing optical sensors to analyze how dirty the runoff water is during the mop washing cycle. If it detects the water is incredibly murky, it flags that zone of your house as a heavily soiled area, washes the mops clean, and commands the robot to go back out and remop that room a second time for a flawless finish. Furthermore, the dock automatically refills the robot's internal water tank with warm water and mixes in the exact correct ratio of cleaning solution from a dedicated detergent reservoir. It even features a 2.5-hour quick charging capability, ensuring the vacuum is always energized and ready to go. On the software side, the companion app is fast, incredibly reliable, and deeply customizable, allowing you to set up multi-level maps, draw virtual no-go zones, and adjust water flow and suction on a room-by-room basis. If you don't want to use your phone, you don't even need an active internet connection to control it, because the vacuum has a built-in local voice assistant that responds instantly when you say, "Hello, Rocky." Finally, for pet owners, the onboard RGB camera doubles as a mobile home security system. You can log into the app from anywhere in the world, use the one-click pet search to locate your furry companions, and even initiate a two-way video call to check in on them while you are away at work. To wrap it all up, the Roborock Saros 10R is not a budget vacuum, but rather a premium investment in true home automation. When you look at what you are getting, the 22,000 PA suction power, the ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile that finally gets under all your furniture, the completely tangle-free dual brush system, and a dock that sanitizes itself with boiling hot water, it sets an entirely new standard for the industry. If you want a machine that you can truly program once, forget about for months at a time, and trust to keep your entire home pristine, the Roborock Saros 10R is hands down one of the best choices on the market today. Thanks for listening to this comprehensive review, and happy cleaning.